So this is my place. This is my village. It's been 1 month I have been here. Been staying in self isolation for 14 days, and now when we are finally free to go out, people think we got license. All they know is just the people who traveled from Mumbai or from whole another city or country to here. They just need to stay 15 days home quarantine, and then they are free to go out without the mask. Then the coronavirus doesn't exist. This is all they know. Now talking about my village, there are two types of people here. I've seen the first, who are the actual villagers who stay here, who belong from here, and the second one are like me, who belong from here, who have property over here, but they still don't stay here. They don't come here usually. And talking about myself, I don't usually come here. I just visit this place only in vacations. And the people who are the actual villagers, what they think about us is that we people who don't stay here, who come from whole other city or other country, we carry coronavirus with us. We should take care, we should wear the mask and carry sanitizers, and only they are allowed to go anywhere without the mask, without the precautions, only because they are the villagers, and they don't have anything to do with the virus. And this is the most worst misunderstanding between those people, which I don't think anyone can solve or sort out. But people here don't understand what coronavirus is, why we take precautions, like why we wear masks, why we wear goggles or safety glasses or shield, why we wear gloves, why we carry sanitizers with us. They think it's some kind of trend or fashion, or it's just the way you show people that we are safe, even if you don't use it properly. Like people here, they wear mask, but what they do is they just cover up their chin or just cover up their forehead with the mask. And this is the main reason why I don't hang out with my cousins, with my buddies over here. And it's not like I don't want to, but I really want to travel all unknown places here with my cousins. But the main reason why I am not allowed to, or why I don't want to, is because they don't understand what this coronavirus is, how it can affect to your health, how deadly this virus is. I don't want to mix up with those people who don't take precautions. Not only the villagers, but also my relatives. Let's say they take precautions, but still they don't want to stay home. They want to go out and hang out with other relatives. They want to go out for shopping and go to market every day. So if you are traveling or if you are going out for some reason, I would recommend make sure you are wearing something that protect your eyes. I would recommend get that shield to protect your face. The whole face will be covered with the shield. And the second thing, make sure you are wearing mask inside the shield, which protects your nose and mouth. And also make sure you are wearing gloves. Now I have habit of touching and rubbing my eyes now and then when I go out, because of the dust and particles. And one good thing about gloves is it makes me uncomfortable to touch my eyes whenever I am wearing gloves, and that is how I avoid touching my eyes or nose with the gloves. And keep sanitizing your gloves and hands now and then whenever you go out. This is it. Stay safe, stay home.